Imagine driving a car for years, 200,000 miles, maybe even 1,000,000 miles, and it just keeps going. Sounds unreal, right? But some cars have done just that. And in today's video, we're talking about the 13 cars that simply never break down. These vehicles aren't just built to last, they've been tested by real owners, experts, and generations of drivers who have pushed them to their limits. From family sedans to rugged SUVs, these cars are known for hitting those incredible mileage milestones. Stick around because these legends might just surprise you. Number 13. Honda Odyssey. Let's start with a family favorite, the Honda Odyssey. Since 1994, it's been a go-to for families, and it's not hard to see why. The 2022 model is a great example, with a solid reliability score of 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power, with many owners reaching 300,000 miles or more. The Odyssey is known for its low maintenance costs and strong resale value. It has a comfortable ride, plenty of space, and top safety features. It earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's top safety pick. The 2017 to 2021 models are considered the most reliable. They are the best choices for anyone looking for a used Odyssey. Need a durable, family-friendly vehicle? The Honda Odyssey is a winner. Number 12. Mazda Miata. For those who want a sports car that's fun and reliable, the Mazda Miata is where it's at. Since its debut in 1989, it has built a strong reputation for reliability. The Miata is known for its simple design, low maintenance, and long-lasting performance. The NC generation, in particular, stands out for its solid build quality. While it may need occasional repairs like a radiator or exhaust system, it's still one of the most dependable sports cars out there. It has a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal. With an annual repair cost of just $429, it's affordable to own. Many owners report their Miatas running smoothly past 200,000 miles, and servicing is relatively simple. If you are looking for a long-lasting sports car, the Miata will serve you well for years to come. Number 11. Subaru Legacy. Here's an underrated choice, the Subaru Legacy. Known for its all-wheel drive system, it's reliable, fun to drive, and perfect for all kinds of weather. The fourth-generation models, like the 2004 Legacy, are praised for their handling and fuel economy. These models also have a powerful 3.0-liter flat-six engine. It delivers 245 horsepower and 215 pound-feet of torque. The Legacy's robust chassis and fun-to-drive nature make it a top pick. Later models with CVT transmissions didn't perform as well. The 2005 to 2009 models stand out for their solid handling, with the 2006 and 2007 years being particularly reliable. While the 2009 model had engine issues, the 2010 to 2014 generation improved. The 2016 and 2017 models, with many good years to choose from. Number 10. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a sedan that just won't quit. It's known for its engineering and long-term durability, with a 2.5-liter engine that gets up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The turbocharged version pushes up to 250 horsepower, so you don't have to sacrifice performance for reliability. It gets up to 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, which helps reduce strain on the engine. The car has good handling thanks to its front suspension and rear suspension. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system helps to protect the tires and suspension. The high-strength steel frame makes the car safer and stronger. Mazda's safety features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning also help keep it safe and lasting longer. With care, the Mazda 6 can run up to 600,000 miles, making it a smart choice for the long term. Number 9. Ford F-150. The F-150 is a popular truck, but with increasing prices, especially for the higher trims with luxury features, the cost is becoming hard to justify. The base model starts at $33,000, but with luxury trims, it can easily surpass $70,000. The high cost reflects advanced technology, engineering, and features. Competitors like the Toyota Tundra and Ram 1500 offer similar capabilities at lower prices. The F-150 still stands out for performance, but at these prices, it's worth questioning the value. Number 8. Chevrolet Suburban. Next up is the Chevrolet Suburban, a large SUV with room for the whole family and more. The Suburban's strong performance comes from 3 engine choices: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8. You'll also get plenty of cargo space up to 144.7 cubic feet with the seats folded. The diesel option is the best for fuel efficiency, offering up to 37 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2024 model rates well for performance, although its predicted reliability score is 78 out of 100 with J.D. Power. If you're interested in learning more about SUVs like the Suburban, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We cover all the best tips and reviews for car enthusiasts like you. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124 is known for its legendary reliability. Made between 1984 and 1995, this car was built to last. Mercedes over-engineered it, making it one of the toughest cars ever. Many W124 models can go over 500,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The W124 is famous for being almost indestructible, earning a reputation for dependability. If you want a reliable, affordable car, the W124 is a great choice. This luxury model comes from a time when Mercedes focused on quality. The high-performance 500e, later E500, was even developed with Porsche. But the standard W124 offers excellent value too. It's a smart way to own a Mercedes without spending too much. Number 6. Toyota Camry. We're getting into the best of the best. Next up is the Toyota Camry, one of the most reliable vehicles out there. The Camry is simple and built to last. It offers a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower or a 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower. These engines are designed for efficiency and durability. The car's fuel economy is impressive, with up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. The Toyota Safety Sense system includes features like lane departure alert and a pre-collision system to keep you safe. What makes the Camry stand out is its low maintenance costs and long-term reliability. With proper care, it can easily last over 600,000 miles. Number 5. Honda Accord. Another Honda on the list, but this one is a classic for a reason. The Honda Accord is known for its reliability with a strong engine and long-lasting parts. It's a car that keeps going even with high mileage. Many Accord owners report their cars running well past 300,000 miles. The Accord stands out for its stylish design, efficient performance, and roomy interior. It's spacious enough to comfortably fit passengers and cargo. The car offers great fuel efficiency, making it an affordable option for daily driving. Whether you're driving short or long distances, the Accord delivers a smooth and dependable ride. If you're looking for a car that will serve you well for a long time, the Honda Accord is a top choice. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is famous for reliability. It's built tough and ready for adventure. Many owners have seen their 4Runners last over 300,000 miles with few issues. The 4Runner's body-on-frame build makes it strong. It can handle rough roads and harsh weather easily. For off-road fans, the 4Runner is a top pick. Under the hood, it features the Toyota 22RE engine, one of the most reliable engines ever made. Inside, it's roomy and comfortable. There's plenty of space for passengers and gear. The V6 engine gives it the power to perform well in the city and off-road. The 4Runner also holds its value over time. The Toyota 4Runner is a great choice. And don't forget to subscribe for more reliable car insights. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. Built for off-road and on-road adventures, the Toyota Land Cruiser is a global icon. Built for off-road adventures, it can last hundreds of thousands of miles, sometimes even reaching 1 million with proper care. Known for its durability, this SUV is popular worldwide, with over 10 million units sold. Annual maintenance costs are about $800. which is reasonable compared to other luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade and Lexus LX. With a reliability score of 83 out of 100, the Land Cruiser is a trusted choice for those needing a strong vehicle. Its tough build, smooth ride, and luxury features make it a favorite. Whether you're going off-road or cruising on the highway, the Land Cruiser delivers. If you want a long-lasting, capable SUV, the Land Cruiser is hard to beat. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. For families looking for a long-lasting SUV, the Toyota Sequoia is a top choice. Since it launched in 2000, the Sequoia has gained a strong reputation, especially in models from 2009 and up. These later models have fewer problems and a smoother ride, making them ideal for years of use. The Sequoia's reliability score is high at 83.55 out of 100. It's one of Toyota's most dependable SUVs alongside the Yaris and Prius. Maintenance costs are about $642 a year, which is average for an SUV this size. Repairs are rare, and only about 15% of issues are major. The Sequoia offers lots of space for families. It's known for its durability, lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. If you need a tough, family-friendly SUV, the Toyota Sequoia is a solid choice. Number 1. Lexus LS 400. And taking the top spot is the Lexus LS 400. Auto journalist Matt Farah even took his LS 400 to 1,000,000 miles. This luxury sedan was built to last with an engine that can run smoothly for decades. Launched in 1989, the LS 400 changed the luxury car game, offering reliability at a level rare in luxury vehicles. Under the hood, it features a powerful V8 engine known for its long life. The LS 400 also comes with a smooth ride and a comfortable, quiet cabin, making it a favorite for those who want luxury and dependability. Maintenance is simple and doesn't cost much compared to other luxury cars. Owners often report few issues, even with high mileage. For those who want a luxury sedan that won't let them down, the Lexus LS 400 is one of the best choices out there. And that wraps up our list of 13 cars that simply never break down. Don't forget to subscribe for more reliable car insights. Click the link below to learn about least reliable cars that won't even last 40,000 miles.